Hi everyone, welcome to my channel or welcome back to my channel. My name is Andy in case you're new here, and in today's video I brought you how to make your crochet earrings nice and stiff so it wouldn't bend and you can make the maximum use out of it and you can enjoy it. So it takes only a couple of minutes. If you're ready, don't forget to like this video, hype it and subscribe to my channel, and let's get started. To make the crochet rings nice and firm, you will need to have the following materials. I'm going to use this white glue. You could use this one actually for wood or paper as well, but works really great also with yarn or thread. We will need to have a small container. You can actually use the water bottle's lid as well, works completely fine. Some tap water. We need to have a brush, and don't worry about it because once we will finish, we will wash it and you can use it for other projects as well. We will need to have some crochet earrings. I'm going to use two of my recent projects. Have a look, it's very bendy, so I want to make it nice and firm. Then you will have to have a simple bag, and I'm going to use a chopping board just because I want to protect the surface of the kitchen. So we will put the plastic bag on the top of the chopping board, and then after we will get the container. There we will mix 50-50% of glue and water. Then with the brush, we will mix it together and we mix it well. And it has to look like this. Then we will get the earrings. And we are going to pass on top this water with the glue. Distribute it equally. If you have a bead, try to avoid to touch the bead. Try to just touch the crochet. Nicely everywhere. Going to do the same on the other side as well. And we repeat all the steps on all the other earrings as well. And make sure once you finish with all of them that you keep it resting with the back side up. Once you're done, you just need to rinse the brush well. And the glue will come off completely and you can use the brush for other purposes as well. Next, we will be putting the earrings to rest for 12 hours, and after 12 hours we need to swap the side, so to the opposite direction, and then we will need to let it rest for another 12 hours. So altogether the earrings need to rest for 24 hours to be nice and dry. So now that we have had it rested for 24 hours, have a look. We are going to lift it up and it's nice and stiff. It actually wouldn't bend at all, and both of the two types are like the same. So I hope that you enjoyed this little short tutorial about how to make your earrings nice and stiff. And don't forget to like this video, hype it, and subscribe to my channel for future tutorials as well. And see you very soon.